Hi, today I want to show you how you can make the order with a few languages. You need to go to the settings, and if you want to make it like two agreements, one will be, let's say, in English and second will be in Portugal language, you need to activate the option called subcompanies here and modules. Activate it, click save. After that you can manage and add few companies. Let's say company number one, this one, and company number two, and you can upload and generate a unique agreement for those companies. For example, this one will be for English language agreement, and this one will be for Portugal. So when you click edit all this information about the company, and here is you can add your agreement template. Let's say this will be in English and this agreement will be in second language. As you can see, this is an example. You can say you can make one agreement as well, but with both languages as well on the same agreement. So you can have two options. First one is separate agreements, like I showed you before, or as you see from the screen, you can make a multi-language agreement in one agreement. So it's only up to you. But if you want to make it like separate English, separate Portugal, you need to create few companies, company number one, company number two. And when you make a reservation, you just need to select the company which you want to make the agreement with. So let's say check this company, go to edit, check this rental, sorry. And at the final stage, you can see documents, select companies. When you will select this company, it will be agreement on English. If you will choose trial company, it will be goes on second company, second agreement, and second language. So that's how you can easy activate the feature with agreements and make it multi languages. So decide your way how you want to make it and enjoy using the software. Thank you.